Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Choose the X360ce build that matches the game's bitness and place X360ce exe directly in the same folder as the game executable. Once done, plug the controller into a USB port and make sure Windows detects a gamepad device. Launch X360ce as administrator so it can create config files, accept prompts to create Zinput DLLs. This initial placement and permission step is critical because the emulator must sit with the game to intercept input and generate the correct 32/64-bit DLLs. Next, run X360ce and let it detect your device. If it prompts to search for settings, allow it. You map buttons and axes to the virtual Xbox 360 layout. Click each control, press the corresponding button or move the stick, and fine-tune dead zones and sensitivity as needed. Once mappings are correct, save the configuration. X360ce will write Zinput DLLs, for example Zinput13 DLL and an ini file in the game folder. Test inputs in the Test tab to confirm reliable responses before proceeding to launch the game. Finally, launch the game. The emulator DLL should translate controller input to the game's expected X input calls. If nothing happens, make sure the DLL file name X360ce created matches the game's expected Zinput file name, copy or rename as required. If the game still ignores input, run both X360ce and the game as administrator and check compatibility settings. One key troubleshooting tip: disable other input layers like Steam input or conflicting drivers, because multiple input handlers can block X360ce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.